coffee for us.
I'm busy figuring out who got it yet.
Mitch, here.
Bailing out?
Oh, you just want me to feed you?
You want to get down and play with some toys? Is that what you feel like?
Well, he's not going to sleep, so there's no reason.
We're all gonna watch your show again.
Yeah, it's so much fun. There you go, Mitch. Look at him, look at him.
He made that sound.
He imitates.
He's gonna try to, yeah, he thinks he's...
Look at that.
We could have skipped all these toys and just bought Puppet and done a puppet show.
Yeah, precious. You got your precious thing.
Let's see what else they got for you. Hey?
It's just clothes. Yeah, I'm not interested in that.
It's gonna go right in his mouth.
Yeah.